Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, to understand our question, the program has to accept the matrix of, that is, the matrix which represents the calendar of a month, and if the matrix has 6 row and 7 columns, means the 7 columns represent the 7 weekdays. If the matrix has 7 rows and 6 columns, then the 7 rows represent the 7 weekdays. So the 7 rows will represent the 7 weekdays. And then the asterisk represents the empty spaces, and integer represents the dates in the calendar, and ash represents the holidays, and we have to print the holiday, that is the date of the holiday, and the date and the day of the holiday in that calendar. And if there is no holidays, then we are going to print -1 as the output. And here the weekday order is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So first we are going to accept the matrix representing the calendar of a month. And if the matrix has 6 rows and 7 columns, then the 7 columns represent the 7 weekdays. If the matrix has 7 rows and 6 columns, then the 7 rows represent the 7 weekdays. Asterisk represents the empty spaces, and the integer represents the date of the calendar, and the ash represents the holidays in that month of that calendar. And then we have to print the date and the day of the holiday in that calendar. And if there is no holiday, then we are going to print -1. And the weekday order is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now we'll take our first test case. So here we have the asterisks here, and as you can see there are 7 columns, so they will go be in this order, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So they'll go row by row in this order. And now we are going to check the holidays. So here we have a ash representing the holiday of the month. So the date will be 15. As you can see, the before one is 14, so here it must be 15. And in order to get the day, here it is Sunday, here it is Monday, and here it will be Tuesday. So 15 Tuesday is a holiday, and similarly we'll have the hash here. So it is near 25, so it must be 26, and the day will be Saturday as it is in the last. And here we have another hash, so here it must be 27, and the day will be Sunday. The day is Sunday, and nearer to that we have another hash, it is 28, and it is Monday. So these are the holidays and this will be our output. Now we'll take our another test case. So in this test case, we have 7 rows. So these will represent the weekdays in this order. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be upside down. And now here we have an ash. So it will be 1 and the day will be Friday. So the days are in this side. So don't get confused. So here we have 13 and after that it will be 14, 15 and 16. And the days will be Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So here also we'll have another ash, so representing a holiday. So the date is 26 and the day will be Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. So Tuesday. So this will be our output. Now in this third test case, we don't have any ash, which represents there is no holidays. So we are going to print -1 as the output. Now let's see how to solve this program. First we are going to get the calendar as the input. So input of dot split off. So we are going to get it as a string because the calendar contains asterisk, ash and the integers. So we'll get it as a string. And for row in range 6. So here we have 6 rows commonly. Maybe they'll have one more row extra. So in that case, we'll append one more row. And now we are going to check whether if the length of the calendar of 0 is equal to 6 means. So if the column is, if there are 6 columns, then definitely there must be 7 rows. So in that case, we are going to append one more row. So if you have a doubt, please check up the second test case. So second test case is in this logic, that is they have 7 rows and 6 columns. So we are checking whether the calendar has 6 columns, and if it has 6 columns, then we are going to append one more row so that the row becomes 7. And now we are going to take transpose of the calendar and solve it from left to right, that in that pattern. As you know, when there are 7 rows and 6 columns, they will be in upside down pattern. We are going to convert that to the normal one by taking the transpose. So we are going to take the transpose of the calendar by calendar equal to list of row for row in zip of asterisk calendar. So we are using the zip function to take the transpose of the calendar. And now date equal to 1. And then the days are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And as holidays will be initially false, and after this for row, that is we are iterating from row 0 to row 6, and for column 0 to column 7. So this is similarly to our first test case. So the rows will be, there will be 6 rows and there will be 7 columns. So whenever we take the transpose, they will also will fall under this condition. So it will be common for both the test case. And now if the calendar of the row and column is digit means, that is, if there is a digit in that calendar, then the date will be incremented by 1, and the elif part, so if there is no digit, then we are checking whether there is an hash. So if there is an hash, then we are going to print the date and the day. So the date, comma, the days of column, and will modify hash holidays to true. And now if the if there is if the hash holidays is equal to false means, then we are going to print -1 as the output. So this will be our program.